First, you just take two cards. Okay, at the same time you can do the setup. Okay, in this case I use two jacks. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you just find, okay, example I use jacks, and you just add the extra card or random card. Okay, and you can cut right here, and you find another jacks, like this. Okay, so after that you just take one jack, and the next you just take double leaf. Okay, and you can show it has two jacks, but in fact you just add, there's a one extra card. Okay, so this is what you need. Okay, two cards. Okay, remember, jack and the extra card. Okay, but remember you can use any card. And then you have a selected card. Okay, the card that you want to vanish, or a vanishing card. Simple this card. Okay, now what you're gonna do first, remember, you just show these two jacks. Okay, like this. Okay, remember, you just do double leaf right here at the next jacks, and you can show it like this. So then you close and you show your vanishing card. Okay, first you just put this card on top of this package, and you just leave spread. At this point you just steal the first jack by doing double leaf. Okay, so remember, you just place this card. Okay, you just take double leaf. Okay, at the same time you just spread. Okay, so remember, your expected things, this is two jacks, but remember, this is one jack and one random card, another jack, you still add this vanishing card. Okay, so here, remember, after you show, put it like this, do double leaf, spread, and you just put this card, okay, in the middle of these two cards. Okay, remember, your expected things, this is two jacks. So that you just rearrange. Okay, put like this in this position. Okay, and you are ready. And to do the vanish, it's really simple. All you do, you just push the top card with your pinky. Okay, you grab like this. Okay, so your pinky is free. All you do, you just push this top card with your pinky like this until the card move and cover the card. Okay, so here, remember, show like this. Okay, when you shake, you just push it with your pinky like this. Okay, so one more time. Okay, I'll go from the beginning. Okay, remember, showing the jacks. Okay, close, show your vanishing card, put it on top. Okay, still the top card, in this case the jacks, and spread this two card like this, put it this card. Okay, and remember, you just arrange. Okay, not too much, you just place it above here, above the suit. Okay, after that you shake, and when you shake, you just push this top card with your pinky, and this is what happened. After that, you just, right now this position, okay, this top card is three card, you just grab three card and immediately do like this and show like this, so you can create the illusion that the card is completely vanished. Okay, but in fact they just hide in here. Okay, show these two card, close, show your vanishing card, put it, grab and put it in the middle. Okay, and here, okay, put your pinky, okay, at the side, and you're ready. You just showing like this or showing like this. Okay, showing, you just shake and push the top card, and this is what happened. After that, you can square everything, grab this tree, and you can separate and show it as two jack. Okay, completely vanish.